Right. So I promised the community I'll be dropping a video, but after doing when I was trying to make the video, I found out some other things which actually made me post, and I actually thought maybe I should just leave the video. But since I already promised you guys, so I decided to bring the video and you know make the corrections. But sincerely, the guy who actually referred the video to me sent a withdrawal proof, which is actually right here on the screen, and which means there's a withdrawal proof from it. But the part which I know for sure most of us won't like, I'll be explaining in the video, and I know this will favor some and it might not favor some, so you have to pay attention and follow every steps I'll be showing in the video. Then you'll be able to get the bonus and you'll be able to trade and make withdrawal. For the terms and conditions, it's straightforward. The trades must be open for at least 3 minutes. Any trades you open must last at least 3 minutes. And for the lot size, you need to trade 3 lot size and you can withdraw $100 and above. So that's the terms and conditions. It's straightforward. And for other details too which you need to be aware of, like I said, it will favor some and it won't favor some, which is the country which are eligible. I'll be sharing the link to the terms and conditions because I found out some countries are not eligible, which means you need to pay attention and go to the terms and conditions to check if your country is eligible. So once you click on the link which I'll be adding to the comment section to give you quick access to the Telegram channel, and in the Telegram channel you'll be seeing the link to this platform right here. Now the link to this platform would bring you in the Telegram channel will bring you to this platform right here with the name Emirates Market. Now you can see right here at the top, all you need to do is to fill in your details for registration by putting in your title, which is either Mr. or Mrs. And then you put in your first name, your last name, the country where you're from, put in your mobile phone number and your email address. Now once those details is being added, make sure you click on this small box right here to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you click on continue. By doing that, after filling every details correctly, like I said, make sure you fill in all the details correctly. Now once every details is being filled correctly and you click on continue, a code will be sent to your email address which you need to go and copy, and coming back right here you need to paste the code into this box, and after the code is being pasted you also click on continue to proceed. Now in your email, this is what it will look like. This is what your email look like. So you need to just copy the code or just click on the link right here, click on it, then it will verify your email address and then you can proceed to claiming the bonus. Now to claim the bonus is pretty easy. The steps is straightforward. In the site you see a section where you can actually claim the bonus. So once you add the code right here and you click on continue, then you can now proceed to actually verify your details. You need to verify your details before you can proceed to claiming the bonus. Now you click on upload right here, this you click on it, then it will take you to the next part where you'll be asked to put in your document for verification. Now having all this, you see right here, you select the verification, the type of verification you want to use, which is the only available one is ID verification, and you put in your document number, you put in the type right here. You see, you select passport, national ID, driver's license, any of the option, then you add the country where you're registering from. Also, once that is being added, you add your address and the city, the postal code, and then you put in the country also where you are from. Now once all these details is being filled, you scroll up a little bit and then select document front side from your gallery, and also you select the document back side from your gallery. Now once you've added that, you just scroll up a little bit and then also upload an image of you holding your ID card, and also take a selfie with it, of a selfie of you holding your ID card. Then you click on upload. So once all this section is being filled and you've submitted, you see this is what you have. Documents have been successfully uploaded. After some while you'll be verified. Within 2 hours, I think at most, you'll be verified. And before you actually get verified, you can get the bonus. So but you actually need to first of all submit your documents, then you just have to proceed to getting the bonus. Now once you click on the 3 lines at the top right there, then you click on profile, or you click on my account. Sorry, my bad. You click on my account, then it shows you these details, and you select bonus account for MT5. Right there, you're actually creating a bonus account where you'll be getting the no deposit into. Now once you click on continue, then the bonus account will be created on your behalf. Now clicking on continue, then you have the bonus account just like this created already. Now you can now proceed to where the important part on where you'll be able to get the bonus. So you click on the three lines at the top also, and that three lines will actually take you to the options. But firstly, before you do that, go and link the bonus account which was given to you to your MT5. And once you've been able to link it, then you can now proceed to getting the bonus. So by the time you claim the bonus, you just go back to your MT5 to meet the bonus in your MT5. So proceeding to, you see, I've just linked my bonus account to my MT5. Now I need to just go back to the site to request for the bonus. Now going back to the site, this is the step you need to take. Now right here in the site, you click on these three lines at the top, these three lines here, and then you go to, no, not the three lines, you click on this icon right here that looks like headset, which is their support center. So you clicking on that headset icon will take you to their support, where you'll be requesting for the bonus. Now it's pretty easy. Even the under the support center, there's a section for no deposit bonus, which makes it very, very easy for you to actually claim it. Now all you need to do is to click on the icon like I said, and you see right here it says open ticket. You need to add a new ticket right here by clicking on this plus sign. It says add a new ticket, and once you click on add a new ticket, it will show you a section that shows the no deposit bonus, like for you to claim the no deposit bonus. Now this is what you'll be having, something like this. So you see there's a category where you actually need to select no deposit, and no, there's a category where you just ignore that, and for the title you put no deposit bonus, and for the description you type in I would love to be credited with the no deposit bonus, adding the MT5 account number in front right here like this. So adding this account number right here would make it give them easy way to actually just credit your MT5, because the bonus will be credited into the bonus account you created, the MT5 bonus account. So you just type in I would love to be credited with the free no deposit bonus into my trading account right here, and the account number for the trading account is right there. So once this is being typed, and all you just need to do is just send this ticket to their support, and this message you are sending to their support be the main key to unlock the no deposit bonus. Now this is what it will look like once you've sent the message to the support, and all you need to do is wait to get verified, and immediately you get verified, you'll be credited with the no deposit bonus. And like I said, go through the terms and conditions to check the country which is eligible and see if your country is part of the country eligible, then you can proceed to getting the bonus. And also I'll be dropping an AI platform today which you can use for automatic trading, and so don't miss out on the coming video. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, turn on your notification, and get notified anytime I drop a video on how to get forex deposit bonus, free profit, and also how to make money online. Have a nice day, guys.